How to lock WhatsApp without installing any application. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So the first method is open up your WhatsApp application. Now tap on three dots at the top right corner. Now tap on settings. Now go to privacy. Again scroll down. Now tap on app lock. Now simply enable this toggle. Now enter your phone screen password. Again go back and tap on chat lock. Now set up your chat lock. Now go back. Now keep holding the chat you want to lock. Tap on three dots and tap on lock chat. Now tap on continue. Now enter your phone screen password. Now to access your chat, scroll down and tap on lock chats. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.